Bhoi district inaugurated the 100 Days TB Awareness campaign with a public awareness program at Science Hall, Nongpor, highlighting tuberculosis symptoms, prevention and treatment. Miral Bon's Aim, MLA of Nongpor, inaugurated the event, joined by distinguished health officials and community leaders. The campaign unveiled 2 ambulances for village outreach and honored individuals and organizations, including MLA Sosthenes Sutton and local enterprises with Nikshay Mitra Awards for supporting TB patients.
In spite of all these challenges, we have seen different policies have been framed. In the early 2000s, where the National Rural Health Mission, one of the very important missions that has been launched to address healthcare system within our country. We have seen significant changes in terms of infrastructure, in terms of facilities, in terms of equipment, and how to tackle all these issues within our state.